guys, here's what I did for the box. First, you have this letter that I gave to my bridesmaids, and I wrote a little note inside of it for each one of them. And now let's go into the box. So as you see, I did like a little one thing that says, you know, would you stand by me and whatnot, and I posted a picture with it as well. Just a really cute picture. And then the first thing that they see is a calendar, and the calendar has all the dates so they remember what to do on which date. And then we go into what's in the box. In the box I had a little makeup bag that said bridesmaids, and then on the back it has their name. And I did that all myself. I have a machine that does this. And then I gave them 2 soaps. So one is like a hand soap. That soap was actually made from my cousin. And the other I actually bought from Michael's. This is like a petals, I think a petal soap. So they just throw it in their bath and it's good to go. And then the next is the candle, which I actually bought off of Amazon. But the word bridesmaids, I made them myself. As you can see here, I'll just zoom in really quickly for you guys so you can take a look. So the word bridesmaids, I did that myself, and I thought, you know, it would be cute. They have a candle. And then the next thing is the bottle. This is actually a freshenette bottle. It's a company that I worked with at my job, and I found the labels off of a site. I'll put the site down further down for your information. And they were able to put a name for each person, and then just a little signage on the bottle that says, I can't imagine this bride without you by my side. Will you be my bridesmaids from the future, Mrs. Codgerton, and in our day? So I thought that was really cute because it plays on the colors of black and rose gold. And then the next thing, last but not least, is their glasses. And I thought that would be so cute for them to pop their bottles with. And it says their name on it. And yes, I made that myself once again. The glasses I actually got from Amazon, and they were really cheap. So that's everything in the box. I'll definitely list below where I got everything from. The box, actually, I got this from a huge site. It was a big savings for me, and I just made everything else myself. What's inside the box, the little white parts inside of the box, this is all from the Dollar Tree, girl. Don't spend your money on Michael's. Get that from the Dollar Tree. And I think that's about it. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. I hope you guys like it.